This is part 3, a video lecture video class for how to make an outline, and we're looking at how I might outline an informative essay about Enheduanna. Okay, so now that I've read through my Wikipedia page, I have a pretty good idea that I've identified 4 possible topics that are going to work, but I haven't finally decided which ones I'm going to use. So I've got life, literary works, importance or influence of her work, and maybe how we discovered her work. And so I've read through this, and now I understand that this is those are a possible set of topics. Okay, so now I need to look at my Wikipedia page in order to find out what sources I can follow up. Okay, so when I look at my list of sources at the end of my Wikipedia page, I want it to help me to understand how I can be led to more reliable sources. So when I look under notes, I see here's one, and when I click on it, this is what I get. Okay, so on this page, I've got archive.is, I've got womenphilosophers.com, and then I have this article, and I don't see the name of any person who wrote this. And so, right there, what I've got is that this content on this page is not associated with a particular writer or scholar, and so I'm pretty sure it's not going to be my most useful source. And then as I look through this, another thing that I can obviously eliminate, when I look down here, I can see, for example, here is a source, and it's clearly written in German, and I can't use that at all. Some other sources, when I look down here at the references, these are full books. Now, I'm not going to read a full book, but even if I wanted to read a full book, books are hard to find for free online, and so that's a different level of research than what I'm doing right now. However, I did find several pretty useful pieces of information. Here is one. This researcher is mentioned in the body of my text, and she's talking about the influence of Enheduanna on modern feminism. Here I have some more articles that are by a person named Roberta Binkley, and when I looked up Roberta Binkley, I discovered that she is a professor at Arizona State University, and so I can feel like this is a reasonably reliable source. And then I found another one. This is an ancient history encyclopedia, and I have a byline that's signed by the actual author of this. And so I feel like we've got a couple of pretty useful sources. Now I'm going to read these a lot more carefully, but I can already know that I've identified a few useful places to look for more reliable information than what I found in my Wikipedia page.